Myself Naresh. So this is the JEE mains previous question for the matrices chapter. If a minus 2b equal to 1 minus 2 3 comma 3 0 is given. This is also 2 by 2 matrix and 2 by 2 matrix is given. Then find the b value. Here a minus 2b is there. Here 2a minus 3b is there. Okay. So how to find out the b value for this equation? Then if you multiplying these two for the both sides, then after that you can subtract that these first matrices minus second matrices, then you get the answer. Okay, so consider first matrix a minus 2b should be is equal to 1 minus 2 3 0. So multiplying on both sides by 2, multiplying both sides by 2, both sides by 2, then 2 into a minus 2b should be is equal to 2 into 1 minus 2 3 0. Then 2 into a 2 minus 4b should be is equal to 2 6 minus 4 0. So consider this is the equation number 1, and next the given equation 2a minus 3b should be is equal to minus 3 3 1 minus 1. This is the given in the question. Equation number 1 and 2. Subtracting equation number 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. Subtracting, then subtract, then what will happen? So 2a minus of 4b minus of 2a minus of 3b is equal to 2 minus 4 6 0, then minus 3 3 1 minus 1. Okay, here 2a minus of 4b minus 2a minus into minus plus 3b should be is equal to 2 minus of 3 minus 1 2 minus of 3. Then here minus into minus becomes plus 2 plus 5, 2 plus 3 equal 5, minus 7 6 minus 1 5 0 1. Okay, here plus 2 minus 2a we get cancel, minus 3 4b and minus of here 2a minus 3b, then okay, here minus b equal to 5 minus 7 5 1, then b equal to minus 5 plus 7 minus 5 minus 1. So minus 5 plus 7 minus 5 minus 1 is the b answer is the correct. Okay, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.